Good afternoon, everybody. This is what we have been up to in TWMH Developments this week. I won't lie, it's been a busy one with Marcus away and 4 networking events that Dave and I attended. Alongside keeping an eye on the sites, it's safe to say I am feeling it this week. As I mentioned, we attended 4 networking events. I set myself a personal challenge to speak with at least 5 new people I hadn't met before at each of the networking events, and I'm pleased to say that I did it. Now Dave will take over and continue conversations with planning consultants, architects, property lawyers from various disciplines and property sourcers. I'll be following up with a couple of trades that we met there. On the construction side of the business, projects that we're looking after for our clients have been moving along very well. In Islington, the main bulk of the stairs are in. First fix plumbing is done and plastering has now started. In Cobham, block layers have reached the wall plate and the scaffold has been adjusted for the roofers. In our own projects, we've got the go-ahead from the council, the letter from the council confirming that they're satisfied that we've met all the pre-commencement conditions. So Ralph and I are arranging a pre-start meeting with the groundworks contractor and choosing a piling company so we can get going with that. Finally, our commercial to resi conversion, we're still waiting for the solicitor to give us confirmation about completion. It should all happen quite soon. If you have any projects that you're going to need assistance with in the near future, do not hesitate to reach out and get in touch. Make sure to follow us on whichever social media platform you happen to be viewing this. Have a cracking weekend, guys. I know I'm ready for mine. See you later.